Hi, my name is Chamandeep Singh. So I took my classes in June 2014. It was a 8 weeks course and my score was 720.
When did you take a GMAT?
I took it in September 2014.
Okay.
Yeah.
And from what I've heard that you also took the Jamboree admissions counseling program?
Yes, I did.
So tell me about the whole admissions process for applying to US colleges.
The admission application process was a very hectic one. I thought the GMAT was the biggest roadblock to get into a B school, but then I was wrong. After I took the GMAT, the biggest challenge started. I mean, I had to spend sleepless nights and the deadlines were coming. I was caught off guard because I never knew that's gonna be so overwhelming, and that's where the admission council people, they helped me out.
How many colleges did you apply to?
I've applied to 8 colleges till now. Yeah.
And how long did you have to prepare for those applications?
See, in the beginning, I applied 4 colleges in round 1,
Okay.
and I think the first deadline was after 1 month from when I took my exam.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought 1 month was a lot, but then no. I think now at least 3 months one should give in the application process. You should have, either you do it before your GMAT,
Okay.
or you keep a gap between GMAT and the first deadline.
Okay.
But then yes, with the help from the admission council guys over here, I was able to do it. There were times when I thought I can't do it, I'll skip it to the next round. But then I knew that there's a slightly better chance in applying in round 1. That's why I could finish 4 colleges in round 1.
So tell me, what all are the parts of the entire admissions application process? What all happens, the essays and etc. that you were mentioning?
Yeah, so the first thing what happened was I was given a big list by the counselor of the colleges based on my interest. I told them that I want to do my MBA in consulting and what all are my interests, and based on that I was given a list of I think around 20 colleges, and I took it before my GMAT, so then they didn't even know what was my score, though they had given me a rough idea that if I score 700, these colleges I could target to. If I'll score 740, these colleges I could target to. And then I had something in my mind that this is my target score and this is my target school. And once I took the GMAT and I got to the same evening, that guy, he called me to ask me the score and send me the updated list, and I shortlisted the schools and sent it back. Then after that I was told about the whole process, that the essays need to be written and the transcripts needs to be arranged. So all these things I had done already, and in the 1 month I think the biggest time consuming thing was the essays. I wasn't prepared with my story, so that's where the writer, he helped me out. He asked me to write the first essay, and then I sent it him to review it, and reading it only, I thought, no, the guy who's gonna read it will say, no, I don't want you. So I was very pessimistic. So then he suggested me a lot of things. He remodeled the essays, and then I thought, yes, that's what I wanted to. The only thing, I had everything in my mind, but I could not put it into the words. That's where he helped me out. He spoke to me, he asked me what I want to do, why MBA, all those things. We had brainstorming sessions. I used to call him, it didn't happen overnight. It also took some 4 or 5 days. When I used to call him, he used to tell me that, what do you want? After that, he used to suggest me some things. Then I used to write it down and send it back to him. Then also, I don't think even he was convinced, but definitely I was not convinced with my essays. Yeah, but in the end, by the time the deadlines were there, things went well.